Hey there, ready for some action-packed fun? Today we're diving into the world of action cameras, those little gadgets that capture all the excitement of our adventures. Join us on a journey through the latest and greatest in action camera technology for 2024. Discover the warmth of stunning visuals, the thrill of capturing every moment, and the convenience of compact design. I've listed my top picks just for you. From rugged outdoor adventures to urban escapades, these cameras are ready to roll with you wherever you go. And hey, want to snag one for yourself? No worries, I got you covered. Links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. So let's gear up and get ready to capture those epic moments together. Number 5. Akaso Brave 4 Pro. When it comes to the best reliable action camera with great features, this is my top choice. With Wi-Fi connectivity, you can easily share your adventures on the go. Plus, it's got a micro SD slot for all your storage needs. In a sleek gray color, it's definitely stylish. The standout feature, it's got to be the dual display design. With a 2-inch back touchscreen and a vivid front screen, you can easily frame your shots and even snap some selfies. Shooting in 4K 30 FPS video and 20MP photos, this camera captures every detail with clarity. One thing I really appreciate is the built-in electronic image stabilization, EIS 2.0. It keeps your footage steady even when things get a bit bumpy. And hey, if you're into underwater adventures, this camera's waterproof down to 131 feet with the included case. Plus, it supports an external microphone for crisp sound quality. Just remember, you'll need to grab the Akaso external mic for it to work. Number 4. Insta360 Ace Pro. Looking for an action camera that delivers the best image quality and durability? This one is definitely worth considering. With Wi-Fi connectivity and micro SD compatibility, it's super easy to use and store your footage. And in sleek black, it looks pretty cool too. What makes it stand out? Well, it's got a flagship 1/1 3-inch sensor, had a 5M AI chip for top-notch image quality even in low light. Plus, with a Leica Samara lens, your shots will look absolutely stunning day or night. The 2.4-inch flip touchscreen gives you great control, and the magnetic mounting system makes it a breeze to switch between accessories. And check this out, it's waterproof up to 33 feet and can handle temperatures as low as -20 degrees Celsius, perfect for all your adventures. With features like pause recording, gesture control, and clarity zoom, shooting and sharing your videos is a piece of cake. Number 3. GoPro Hero 12. For the best performance, this is the one I recommend the most. With Wi-Fi and USB connectivity, plus micro SD compatibility, it's super easy to use and transfer your footage. And in classic black, it looks sleek and ready for action. What makes it stand out? Well, it's got high dynamic range, HDR, for both videos and photos, capturing all those subtle details even in tricky lighting conditions. With 5.3K video resolution and 27MP photos, your shots will look incredibly crisp and cinematic. And let's talk stabilization. The Emmy award-winning Hyper Smooth 6.0 keeps your footage silky smooth no matter how bumpy the ride. Plus, it's rugged and waterproof up to 33 feet, so you can take it on all your adventures without worry. Number 2. Insta360 X3 Action Camera. This stands out as my top pick for the best versatility and top-notch quality for capturing those epic moments. With Bluetooth connectivity and micro SD compatibility, it's super convenient to use and store your footage. And in sleek black, it's definitely stylish. What's cool about it? Well, it captures 5.7K 360-degree video, so you can relive the action from any angle with easy reframing tools in the Insta360 app. Plus, with dual 48MP sensors, you get incredible clarity and detail, even in low light. But here's the kicker, it also has a 4K single lens mode, so you can shoot wide-angle footage just like a traditional action cam. And with flow state stabilization and 360 horizon lock, your videos come out incredibly smooth. Oh, and forget about ugly selfie sticks. The 360 lens with X3 makes them disappear from your shots for some seriously cool third-person perspectives. Number 1. DJI Osmo Action 4. Finally, here's my top pick for the best overall. With Bluetooth connectivity and micro SD compatibility, it's easy to use and store your footage. And in classic black, it looks pretty sleek too. What sets it apart? Well, it's got impeccable image quality day or night, thanks to its large sensor. Plus, with 10-bit and D-Log-M color performance, your footage will pop with vivid, true-to-life colors. And here's a cool feature. It can handle extreme cold temperatures and record up to 150 minutes non-stop, so you won't miss a moment of the action. With 4K per 120 frames per second and 155-degree ultra-wide FOV, you'll get stunning footage that immerses you in the action. Switching perspectives is a breeze with the magnetic quick-release feature, and with 3 stabilization modes, shaky footage is a thing of the past. Well, that wraps up our journey through the best action cameras of 2024. From capturing epic adventures to stunning underwater moments, these cameras have got you covered. Remember, check out the links in the description for the latest prices. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, share with your fellow anglers, and hit that subscribe button and bell icon to stay updated with all of our latest content, tips, and reviews. Happy filming, and may your adventures be as epic as your footage.